Hello, ma'am and sir. Have a good day. My name is Jane Palacio Mangipuno. I'm 28 years old. My height is 157 centimeter and 56 kilograms. I live in Coguinganan, Masi, Pamplona, Cagayan, Philippines. I am married and blessed 3 kids girls, ages 10 years old, 5 years old, and 2 years old. My mother's name, Erly Palacio, and my father's name, Dionisio Palacio. We are 9 siblings of the family, 5 boys and 4 girls. I am 5 siblings of the family. I don't have tattoo and no surgery on my body. My first work experience is house cleaning and take care of the child since July 9, 2013 up to June 20, 2015. I served 3 members of the family, our king couple and 5 years old boy. My second work experience is cooking since March 20, 2017 up to July 8, 2019. My primary duties is taking care of the child, washing the clothes, cleaning the house, ironing, and cooking. I am a first-timer ma'am and sir to work in Hong Kong. If you give me an opportunity to work with your family, I promise I will work hard and take care of your family as my duty. Ma'am and sir, I hope you can consider my willingness to work with your family as the near future. Thank you and God bless.